To get a Zoho API key, follow these steps. Create a Zoho account. If you don't already have an account, sign up for a Zoho account by visiting Zoho's website. Log into Zoho Developer Console. Go to the Zoho Developer Console and log in using your Zoho account credentials. Create a new application. In the Developer Console, click on the Add Client button to create a new API application. Fill in the required details, such as client name, client domain, and redirect URI. Select API scopes. Choose the appropriate scopes based on the services you want to access via the API. Scopes define the level of access to your Zoho account data. Get client ID and secret. After creating the application, you will be provided with a client ID and client secret. Keep these credentials secure. Generate the API key. Using the client ID and client secret, you will generate an access token by making an OAuth request. This is the key you will use to make API calls. Use the API key. Now you can access the access token to authenticate API requests to Zoho services.